In this video, we will learn how to appear offline in Fortnite. In order to appear offline in Fortnite, it is extremely simple. Firstly, all you need to do is open up your game. Then you need to click on the profile picture on the top right hand side of your screen. After coming in here, you will click on your profile picture yet again to access all your client settings. In here, you will see that an option called online status. All you need to do is set it to away. While the status is set to online, any of your friends can see that you're playing the game and invite you to their games. And sometimes it can be a little disturbing. But when your status is set to away, your friends will see that you are not available for game even if you are playing, and you will receive a lot less invites. So this is how you can make it so that you appear offline in Fortnite and enjoy the game like you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.